what we have prepared in West Bengal, and she was very much convinced. After that, we have given a proposal, also they have been approved, and we have already started this program last 3 to 4 months, and now we are going to revise this proposal, and we are starting some new ideas and new ventures. So normally we are doing the awareness program, and after the COVID, all the programs are being implemented through digital mode. And we have got a number of trainings. We have already covered more than 30,000 volunteers over digital mode in many groups. And I am thankful to UNICEF have provided us the opportunity to link with the youth of Odisha. And we have got more than 20,000 youth clubs in over 30 districts. And around 80 districts are in the focus area of the UNICEF. So what I suggested that in physical mode, because now this situation is going to be normal, and Government of Odisha is also relaxed as per the yesterday notification by the Relief Commissioner. So 50 people, 100 people, we can have this program in the physical mode, and in the like procession and meetings, other things, marriage, 250 people, they have already given the relaxation. So now we are proposing for the mass IC campaign. We have the 20 districts. We are going to train around 20 teams consisting of 7 members. They will be trained by the National Chetna in their campus. And I have requested all the DIOs. They will send 3 at least nominations, and our screening committee will go through that. And after this training, they are supposed to perform in the village level. Basically, it is a what I can say integrated type of IC. We will not work silently. We will work with the line department, with the leadership of the collector, and all the line departments. So it will be like a one celebration, like in the village celebration. So these local people, local youth clubs will involve. So very soon we are going to do that. Secondly, now we are doing a lot of work in the field level, but it is not visible in the social media. So today's program is particularly to train our DIOs to have this workshop, and we have requested Neha Madam, Radhika Madam, and Sifra Madam. Also, they will have this, give some ideas how we can develop our social media so that there will be high reach. For example, every district should have the YouTube channel. Every district should have the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and we should tag at the rate and hashtag. And sometimes if KIB has requested us, whatever we will post in the media, we must use at the rate KIB Odisha, so that they will be in the program. And our minister is very much in social media. Now he is giving instructions. That's Twitter. Now Twitter is playing very vital role in the field. ट्विटर जो है आज का सबसे हॉट कैक है. कोई ट्वीट कर दिया सीधा पीएम को पहुंच गया या सीएम को पहुंच गया. और सिंपल थिंग, मैं कल मूढ़ी और बादाम खा रहा था. मैं सोचा कि संबलपुर का इसाक मुंडा इज पोस्टिंग मेनी लोकल थिंग्स एंड crores of people are watching. I tried to do that. Just I posted Muri Badam. Now more than 500 people have watched that, and there are a lot of comments. Similarly, we have to develop such type of IC material, some type of videos, which can be unique, which can be seen by people. We have to do a lot of things. Youth have a lot of innovations. Youth have these different type of success stories. Like I could able to know one of the girl of Jasper district भाग गई. एक लड़की जो है is producing this sanitary napkin. Now it is very famous. Now she is known as the bad woman of the Odisha. Now we are going to promote her, and we will take sanitary napkins so we can market it. And similarly we can have this replication over here. So people are doing a lot of things. We have to catch that, and for that we are going to publish a youth bulletin. Name is Yuva Sandesh. It will be quarterly, but I suggest it will be a monthly bulletin. Similarly, I request all the DIOs, you should have your own e-magazine. Monthly 2 page, 4 page का magazine बनाओ. जो आपका highlights है हमको भेजिए, so that we can send to Delhi or in the social media. So with these words, I am very happy that all our DIOs are very active. Wherever and whenever we used to ask or organize any program, and most of the program we are doing volunteer basis. So whatever money we are getting from the UNICEF, we can multiply. That I was discussing with the Monica ma'am, and we have got so many youth clubs that become the NGOs that are implementing so many programs. So one is we can implement by ourselves. Second will be the collaboration, convergence. We can do that. We are going to make some models in the villages so that people can see. And we have got 4 or 5 districts. We have got permanent building. In the building, we will have some demonstration with collaboration of the different departments. With these words, once again I thank Monica and the team for having this active participation and partnership with the NYKs. I hope this partnership will go a long way. Because after 5 months, I am going to leave this organization because retirement, but I will not leave the work. Simply I will change my seat. I will be there with the NYKs. Maybe indirectly. Whatever I want to work here, because there is some restriction, I am not able to do. But after 5 months I will be free. So whatever I want, we can join hands, we can do that. Thank you.
I welcome